Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of mobile banking with Halifax. We'll show you how to download the secure and easy to use Halifax mobile app, putting your finances at your fingertips. At first, open the Google Play Store. Now, in the search bar at the top, type in Halifax mobile banking. The official Halifax mobile banking app should appear by now. Simply tap on Install button. Once downloaded, simply tap Open to launch the Halifax mobile app. And remember, for your safety, only download the Halifax mobile app from the official Google Play Store or Apple App Store and avoid any untrusted sources. And there you have it. The Halifax mobile app is downloaded and ready for action. In future videos, we'll explore the app's feature and show you how to manage your Halifax accounts on your mobile device. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about the Halifax mobile app.